everyone, in this video we're going to show you the differences between the paintbrush and the blob tool in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, so we have our blank canvas here, and we're going to go up and select the paintbrush tool. So you can click on it and then right click to change the tool. So here we have the paintbrush tool, and we also have the blob tool and the pen tool. So first let's start with the paintbrush tool. And come down to this square here and choose our outline color and our fill color. So it doesn't really matter for the fill color because it will not show up on the paintbrush tool. So you can usually just leave that blank or choose the square with the line through it because only the outline, so that purple is what will show. So let's make an X. Alright, so these lines are now connecting. So if we go back up to our select tool, then we can select each of these lines individually even though they are connecting. We can move them, make them bigger or smaller, but they're all going to be individually moved or changed. So here we have changing the color. Again, that fill tool is not going to fill in the color. You'll just have the outline color. So here we can see that we can make it bigger, but it only moves the one line. So now if we go back up, so right click on this again and select our blob tool, then we're going to draw an X again. Now if we get our select tool and we click on it, we can see that it moves the whole thing together. The other cool feature about this is that you can change the fill color and the outline color separately now. If you have the same color, then it will connect the lines together and make them their own shape. So let's change the color, and then we will draw something else with the blob tool in a different color. And go back to our select tool. So now you can see that the blue is a separate line. So because it's not the same color, it is drawn separately still, just like the paintbrush tool. So now they're separate entities, but they blob together with the same color. This is great too if you are coloring in an object and you don't want all the lines to be different. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.